Okay, this is question 8 on page 287. Fred begins walking towards John's house at 3 miles per hour. And John leaves his house at the same time and walks towards Fred on the same path at 2 miles per hour. How long will it be before they meet if the distance between them is 4 miles? Okay, we're going to set up a dirt table, one for Fred and one for John. Excuse my handwriting. Okay, so we know that distance equals rate times time. And we know that Fred's rate is 3 miles per hour and John's rate is 2 miles per hour. And we also know that the time that they travel is the same. Okay, now you got to get the clue from the problem. It says, how long will it be before they meet if the distance is between 4 miles? Well, Fred has a distance that he walks because he's walking 3 miles per hour, and that's 3 times t. Distance equals rate times time. And John has a distance he travels because he's going 2 miles per hour. Okay, but the total distance that Fred walks, so Fred obviously is going to walk further because he's walking at 3 miles per hour. Fred's time plus John's time, Fred's distance plus John's distance is going to equal 4 miles. Again, Fred's distance is going to be longer than John's distance, which is going to be shorter, but it's going to add up to the length of 4. Okay, so how do we solve this? Add 2 and 3 together, we get 5t equals 4. We're going to divide both sides by 5. And t equals 4/5, and that's 4/5 of an hour. And 4/5 of an hour is actually 48 minutes, but how do we figure that out? Well, 4/5 of an hour of is times 1 hour is 60 minutes. Put that over 1, and we can cancel the 5 into 60 by 12. 4 times 12 is 48 minutes. Okay, and you should be doing the Finney 5 on this, and check your work, box your answer, write it out as a sentence. It'll take 48 minutes for them to meet.